how to find backup frequency settings on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find backup frequency settings on Android or iOS phone. First go to Truecaller, and then click on your profile here, and after that click the settings icon in the top corner, and here all you need to do just scroll down until you find this one here, backup, and here we'll find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.